Hey there! Are you struggling to play Warzone Mobile while using your mobile data? No problem, I've got your back. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps to fix this issue so you can get back into the action. Let's jump right into it. Solution 1. Start by checking if your internet is behaving itself. First things first, fire up your favorite browser. Now, pick any website you fancy and see if it loads up properly. If not, don't sweat it. Try toggling on airplane mode for a few seconds, then switch it back off. After that, see if the error has disappeared. If that doesn't do the trick, you can experiment by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Another option is to give a VPN a whirl. Try out something like 1.1.1.1 Faster Internet VPN or whichever VPN tickled your fancy. Once you're connected, see if that resolves the issue. Solution 2. Tweak those network settings a bit. Open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on Cellular. Next, hit up Cellular Data Options. If low data mode is turned on, toggle it off. Now, let's talk voice and data. If your phone and carrier support 5G, choose that. If not, stick with 4G. Backtrack a bit and tap on Network Selection. Toggle on Automatic. Then, dive back into the cellular settings and tap on Cellular Data Network. Scroll down, tap on Reset Settings, and confirm by hitting Reset. With all that done, your problem should hopefully be a thing of the past. Solution 3. Make sure Warzone Mobile has the green light to connect to your local network. Head into Settings. Then scroll down to your list of apps, find COD Warzone, and give it a tap. Next, toggle on Local Network from the Permission menu. Once that is sorted, exit out of Settings. Open up Warzone Mobile and see if that did the trick. Solution 4. Reset Network Settings. Open up Settings once more. Then scroll down and tap on General. Look for Transfer or Reset iPhone and tap on it. Next, hit Reset and then Reset Network Settings. Confirm by tapping Reset Network Settings. And just like that, your network settings are reset. After that, you should be good to go without any pesky issues. And there you have it. That's how you can fix the problem of Warzone Mobile not playing nice with mobile data on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you in a jiffy. Thanks a bunch for tuning in.